Oracle Database Cloud Database as a Service provides you the ability to deploy Oracle databases in the cloud, with each database deployment containing a single Oracle database. You have full access to the features and operations available with Oracle Database, but with Oracle providing the computing power, physical storage, and optionally, tooling to simplify routine database maintenance and management operations. Creating an Oracle Database Cloud Service instance is one of the prerequisites to provisioning Oracle SOA Cloud Service, which uses a Database Cloud Service to store both configuration and runtime instance data. In the next hands-on activity, you'll assign a name to the database service instance and a database administrator password. As before, be sure to retain this information. You'll need it later.